Yo, what is good? I am Richie Kim. Welcome back to another video of Richie Revs. So, as you all know, mods are never done, right? So yeah, I'm over here at Antspec. If you all know, 714 tires. This is basically the new 714 tires. They're going to be opening up another shop in the IE, but we're over here in, I think this is Fountain Valley. But yeah, I mean, Antspec, 714 tires, it's one and the same. Same people, same employees. So you're gonna still be getting, that great service. But yeah, I mean, came out here to do something. Something's changing today. Well, a couple things actually. These 19s over here in the front, yeah, they're going away. So what we're actually doing today is we're gonna be putting the 20s on. So I actually have another pair of 20-inch CS wheels. They're going up in the front, and in order to make this work, I'm actually replacing the fender liner too. So I got the RKP like enhanced clearance fender liner. So yeah, those are going on. 20s are going on, and we are replacing the tires. We are putting on PS4S's, no more P0s. So yeah, I mean, pretty excited. It's gonna make the fitment look a lot better. I think the tires will perform a lot better, and I think overall the car will just look and feel better. So yeah, obviously the car's not on the rack yet, but we'll see how long it takes. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like once it's done. So the car is done. The 20s are up. Yeah, I mean, look at that. It looks so much better. Like, I really did not like the stagger, but yeah, I mean, this looks so much better. Got the Michelin PS4S's, the star version, obviously. I mean, yeah, this looks great. Damn, look at that fitment though. I guess we'll see, if there's like any rubbing or anything. I don't know. Hopefully not. But what I will say is the front definitely pokes out a little bit more than the rear. So I might have to adjust the spacers on here. I might need some new spacers. We'll see how that goes. But I mean, yeah, fantastic job. Shout out to Antspec. Gonna take this on a ride home, and I'll let you all know if I run into any issues, but hopefully not with the new fender liners and everything. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I just got done with a little drive. So it is actually rubbing on the fender liner a little bit right there. I'm not sure if the camera will focus. Okay, yeah, I mean, you all can see it is rubbing on the fender liner right there, but barely. But it's not rubbing on the fins anymore, which is really good. So yeah, I mean, not bad, I guess. But the fitment, obviously, this is a little, I don't know if I want to, bring, I guess, like, I don't know if I want to make the spacer a little bit smaller. But see, the problem is in the rear, I don't know, I can definitely bring this one out a little bit. So yeah, I don't know, I have some decisions to make, but I mean, for the most part, the hard part is done. It's just really, kind of adjusting the spacers now. But I mean, the rubbing is so minimal, I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just got some new wheels, new tires, upgraded fender liner, or enhanced clearance fender liner, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching.